CNC milling is a high-precision machining method powered by computer numerical control. Based on the pre-built 3D digital model, the system automatically generates two pairs and the machine removes material layer by layer from a metal, plastic, or composite block until the final part is formed. In our production, CNC milling is one of our core manufacturing process. Every part starts with importing CAD and CAM data, followed by 5-axis or multiple-axis machining. This allows the tool to move efficiently through complex geometries. Our machines are equipped with automatic tool changes, which means milling, drilling, tapping, and more can be completed in a single setup, greatly reducing manual intervention and accuracy loss from repositioning. To ensure dimensional systems, we use in-process measurement and real-time monitoring systems to dynamically check critical dimensions. This helps us maintain plus or minus 0.01 mm tolerance and a surface finish as fine as RA 1.6 micrometers. With optimized fixturing and the tool path strategies, we easily handle complex geometries, seamless, and tight tolerances. The power of CNC milling isn't just in precision and repeatability, it's also in its versatility. From metals like aluminum, stainless steel, and copper to engineering plastic like ABS, POM, and PEK, we can handle them all. Whether it's a single prototype or small pilot run or full-scale production, CNC milling allows us to deliver parts quickly and reliably. That means shorter development cycles, lower trial and error costs, and stronger market competitiveness for our clients. For us, CNC milling is more than just a machining method, it's a mindset. It's a reliable, efficient, and scalable approach that turns complex designs and tight specs into everyday reality. I'm Chloe, see you next time, bye!